Are you tired of overpaying for your car insurance? Want to know how to keep more money in your pocket? Stay tuned, because today we're revealing the top 8 tips to help you save big on your car insurance in the UK. Let's get started. First things first, let's start with a critical tip. Auto-renewing your insurance might be convenient, but it can cost you. Even though new rules from January 2022 prevent insurers from charging existing customers more than new ones, your renewal quote might still not be the best out there. Different insurers have different prices, so always compare quotes from multiple sources. Use several comparison sites to ensure you're getting the best deal. Timing is key. Your renewal notice typically arrives about 28 days before your policy expires. Use this time wisely to compare and switch if necessary. Mark your renewal date on your calendar to ensure you don't miss the window to act. In short, never auto-renew without checking if there's a better deal out there. Taking a little time to compare can save you a lot of money. A monthly payment plan for your insurance is essentially a high-interest loan, with APRs varying from under 20% to over 40%. For example, if your premium is £1,000 and you pay monthly, you could end up paying £1,140 a year at an average APR of 25%. So, if you can, pay in full. If you can't afford it, consider using a credit card with a lower interest rate or a 0% interest card for spending, ensuring your repayments are big enough to clear it within a year. Check if the insurer charges a fee for credit card payments, but this fee is usually less than the interest on monthly installments. Timing is everything when it comes to getting the best deal on car insurance. Analysis shows that the cheapest time to get quotes is 23 days before your renewal date. Waiting until the last minute can make you seem disorganized, which insurers might see as a higher risk, driving up your premium. After you've checked the price of separate cover, it's worth checking if you can save by combining them. Providers like Admiral and LV offer combined policies that cover both your car and home insurance. This can simplify your admin, but it's not always the cheapest option. Check if separate policies might be cheaper. Also, be aware that if you have one policy, a claim for either your home or car could push the price of the whole thing up when you renew. Insurers like Direct Line, Aviva, and Churchill offer discounts on new policies to their existing customers, so always compare your options. Adding a responsible driver to your policy can reduce your costs significantly. It may seem counterintuitive, but covering an extra driver can reduce rather than increase your cost, sometimes by £100 or even £1,000. This is especially beneficial if you're a high-risk motorist and you add someone who is a much lower risk. For example, a young, new driver could see their premium drop from £5,000 to £1,900 after adding their parents to the policy. The better the driving history and lower the risk, the more impact it should have. Just make sure the added driver is someone who would reasonably drive your car. But be warned, never add someone as the main driver if they're not. This is known as fronting and is considered fraud. If caught, you could face a conviction and your insurance will likely be invalid. If you have more than one car in your immediate family or household, a multi-car policy could be for you. Discounts for adding multiple cars can save you £100 or even £1,000 in some cases. However, for others, it could actually be more expensive, even if you have different start dates for each car. Always compare the price of multi-car policies with separate ones to see which offers the best savings. Being on the Electoral Roll is not just about being registered to vote, it can also make a difference to your insurance premium. Insurers use the Electoral Roll to verify your identity. Not being on it, or having incorrect information registered, makes it more difficult for insurers to identify you, leading to higher quotes or even refusal to cover. Registering on the Electoral Roll is straightforward. Simply go to the government website and fill out the necessary details. This small step can lead to significant savings on your car insurance. Many assume switching is only for those at renewal. It's not. You can actually switch at any time. This is important when prices are rising, or if you recently auto-renewed without comparing, to see if you could cut costs. If you cancel a policy mid-year and paid up front, you'll usually get a pro-rata refund for the rest of the year, providing you haven't claimed. If you pay monthly, you'll just stop paying the old insurer and start paying the new one. There will typically be a cancellation fee of about £50, so your savings from switching should outweigh this to make it worth it. You won't earn the current year's no claims bonus if you switch mid-year, so make sure the savings are substantial. There you have it, our top 8 tips to save on car insurance in the UK. Follow these tips and keep more money in your pocket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more money-saving advice. And if you have any nuggets of information that has helped you save money, share by commenting below. See you on the next video.